guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to play Guess the Sound. This is not sponsored. Just go support this channel, okay? Just go support this channel. Like and subscribe. That's Cocomelon. Yeah, you know that. Cocomelon.
Baby bus. Baby bus. Baby bus.
Yes, I got it.
Baby bus.
Like Nacho? Bear and Masha? Ping pong. Oh. Okay. Wait. I know this song. I always watch this one. I know this song. It's a Blippi. Next. So this. Oh.
Pointy hair. Hydraulic kitty. Hydraulic kitty, pointy hair.
Kitty bunny.
Hydraulic kitty, pointy hair. Hydraulic kitty, pointy hair. Hydraulic kitty.
What is that? Oh.
Kitty, pointy hair. Hydraulic kitty, pointy hair.
Is it this? Oh yeah, it was.
Hoopla kids.
Hopla Kids.
Hoopla kids.
Oh, I got it right. Hopla Kids.
Hoopla kids.
Next one. This one? Oh yeah, it was.
Little baby bus.
Little baby bum. Oh yeah, it was.
Little baby bum.
What do you think it is?
They're just gonna guess.
Dave and Ava.
Dave and Ava.
Yeah, you used to listen to them.
Going at the sun today. Dr. Panda. Going at the sun today.
Oh, it was this?
Dr. Panda. Come on, let's go and have some fun.
Oh, wait, it's this one.
It's
I know that one.
Jack Cartman! Give me the kiddo! Jack Cartman! Give me the kiddo!
How's that sound?
I don't know that sound. This? Oh, it was that. TV. Oh, it was kids TV.
The Mother Club! The Mother Club!
Mother Kids Club.
The Mother Club! The Mother Club!
What is that sound?
You go guess it.
Is it? Oh,
Great job.
come on. Oh, I don't know what was that. No more levels.
Oh, good job.
Yes!
You're finished.
I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget your school. Just don't forget your school and tell the teacher that I have a YouTube channel and then they will, if they go back home, if they are going to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget your studies and don't play too much because your eyes might get hurt and get glasses like mine. Bye.